Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, we'll be covering about walkthrough of Power BI tool. So what we're going to do in the next few minutes is we're going to get ourselves acquainted with the tool and its interface to see that what are the things that this tool is capable of doing and what all where exactly each of these capabilities lies within the tool. So for that, let's launch the Power BI tool. So once you launch the Power BI desktop, you have this option to try free and sign in. So if you are using your corporate login credentials, you can sign in with your corporate login ID and password, and you can go ahead and do what with the modifications over here. So that will be your online version of it. Or for our exercise as of now, we'll do it free, try free. But right now I'm just closing this window and we are going forward to it. So as you can see, this is the Power BI tool. This is Power BI desktop. This is how it looks like. So this is currently showing as untitled Power BI desktop. So it is not named anything. So just like any other file, you can save as whatever be the file name. Okay, you can put it as walkthrough file, walkthrough walkthrough exercise, and over here you can see the save as type is Power BI file and the extension is star.pbix. So like Excel, you have XLSX, like CSV, you have .csv. For Power BI file, the extension is .pbix. Okay, so you can save it and that file will be saved in that particular location. So if you go there and if you check, you can see that this particular file is saved in this particular location. Okay, so that's about saving a Power BI file. Now you have this 4 tabs at the bottom, at the top. So one is the home tab. Okay, the home tab, what you can do is that you can get data. So this particular tab is about getting data from various sources. So if you click on this, you will get to see the some of the most commonly used data sources in Power BI. So it will prompt you with this intelligence that you can use these are the common sources, and you can, if you want to use any of these. So Excel, Power BI datasets, Power BI data flow, SQL server, analysis server, text CSV, web format, OD data feed, and the blank query. Okay, if this is not the one from which you want to get the data, you can click on more and you have all the available options over here. So first category is all, and this all is primarily a combination of file, database, Power Platform, Azure, online services, and any other services that Microsoft support.